Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see an unboxing video of happiness kit for the program EuroSenior provided by EuroKids. Let's see what is there inside the box. Wow, I could see a bright, beautiful pink and blue color bag, a stylish hoodie t-shirt, a denim cap, child ID card. These are the two parent ID cards. As safety is our priority, the parent or the guardian should bring the ID card while picking up the child from the school. Birthday card for the child. And these are the various invitations for the events that are happening at our school. Health is Wealth medal. This is given on the sports day. Annual day trophy. This is the honoring badge. We have 8 badges in a box and this is given for the child's positive trial. This is to appreciate the child for their development and to motivate them. This is the parent manual which helps the parent to understand about the curriculum and the various events that is happening at our school. Wow! Can you see there are beautiful different color pencils? These are called wow pencils. Wow means word of the week. In every pencil we have a different word which helps the child to improve in their vocabulary. And we have also given you a beautiful stand for the pencils that to be saved. Let's see the books for EuroSenior. We have 8 theme-based books. Three language and literacy books. 6 mathematics books. 4 Hindi books, 2 craft books, 1 song book, 1 activity book, 1 portfolio, 1 memories book to collect all their beautiful memories at school. And 1 achievement card. Let's see the craft items. This is the readiness kit. In this we have a pencil gripper which helps the child to hold the pencil in a correct position and it gives a good hand control. A child safety scissor, learn to cut book, learn to draw book and a coloring kit. These are the theme kits which will be given on the parent teachers meeting And in this we have a lot of do-it-yourself activities. When you and your child do at home, it will give a good family time. This is the takeaway box. And we have a lot of activities inside this box which will reinforce the concept in a fun way. Hope this video is useful for you all. Thank you so much. Take care.